Hello everyone, today I will teach you how to use Constructor to build this game. This is the basic tutorial. As you can see, we can jump it over and again, and then climb the stair. And then if I jump out of the layer, the windows, and then I will go to loose. Okay. So now we will start to build this game. First of all, open your Constructor here. You can see this is empty here, and then you press the Ctrl and then select the first new empty project over it. Okay, now here you can see this is the stage and this is the project area, etc. Now first of all, let's double click the gray area here, and then select the spirit represent the player. You control it to jump over and again, and then the eyes here to make it easier to identify that it is the player. Okay, good. Okay, so now this is the player. You can control it to jump and run away. Okay, next step, we need to add some block, just like this knife patch. Insert it. And then the block needs to be maybe orange, okay, orange color. Okay, so now that is the block that for this player to jump over. Okay, we can also just click this knife patch and then draw it over here. See? Okay. And then build a row for it to jump it. Okay, so now you have as this thing into this area. It called stage, and remember only add inside these boxes, because if you add outside and it cannot be seen. So now after you have add this player, remember change the name. Okay, we could call player, and then this to be block. Okay, so second thing, when you want to play it to see it, you cannot see it, you can control it. It is that a solid, you can see. You see, you cannot control it. So what should you do? First of all, click the player, and then in the behaviors here, add something. You need to add something just like, for example, because it have to jump over the platform. Yes, I found the platform at the. Okay. And the second thing, when you play it, the camera has to move so that you can see the player. You can fix the player into the central area of the screen for easy to see it and play it. So you need to add this one, row 2. Add. Okay. So now when you play it, it can jump it. However, you have to add something into this block, otherwise this player will fall. So that behaviors. First of all, you need to click the block and then click the behaviors here, and then add block solid. Yep. Okay, so let's try it. See, you can now control it with the keyboard. With the keyboard, the arrow side, the up arrow, down arrows, left and right arrows to control it. Okay, so now another thing, when this player is fall, it will keep falling. So what should you do? Okay, you can click the layers here and then right click to add layout. Remember, add event sheet so that you can program it. This layer we will call use, and the layer 1, what is layer 1? This is called layer 1, and then we change it to be the level 1. Okay. Remember, here you need to change it also level 1 and then loose. Alright, and add another layout. This layer is going to be green, and this will be green too. Okay, so now here is the double click the loose, and we go this to the decimal spaces. Double click the gray area, and add the text here. Remember the text we have to change it. Let's see here. We can change it to be loose. Okay, so now we can change it. We can also change the fun thing. Yeah. Okay, so good, and then I'll show it to the center. Yeah, that's very good, I think. Yeah. Okay, and then for the main page, same strategies. Okay, get test instructed, and then change to be green. Alright, and then make it to be much larger inside. Okay, that's great. Etc. So now we finish these two layouts. Then we need to program when double click the level 1. When the page is full, then you will go to the layouts to the loose page. So first of all, when the page next is outside the frame. Let's see. It's outside the layout. Then the system go to layout to loose. Okay. So how to win this game? We need to add another thing. The door, we will say it. The door let to be plain color. Okay. So now when this blue pair hit this door, then remember to change the name. Then it will go to the win page. Okay. Alright, then see the level 1 programming part and the add event. When a player is on connection with another object, then origin with the door. Okay, done. Then the system will go to layout to win. Yeah. Okay, so now it's okay, and then we run to test it to see whether you run or not. First of all, then you will lose. Refresh the page, and then we try to win. Okay, that's the win. It's easy to follow, right? So here is the tutorial 1 for the basic programming for the game using the construct tool. If you like my video, please subscribe it and like it. Thank you.